How to find saved videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can find saved videos on TikTok. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say that you saved a particular video on TikTok, right? And not download it, but only just saved it so that you can watch later on. It's just like the watch later feature on YouTube, right? So you want to watch something and then you just save it. And later on when you want to watch it, when you have free time, you just go back and watch it. The similar is the case on TikTok as well. So first of all, I'll just go ahead and then open the TikTok application first. And then I'll just save a few videos just to show you guys that I'm doing this legitimately. So I'll just, let's say I want to save this video, right? So that I can watch later. And I'm just going to tap on this little save icon over here. And when you save on it, you'll have this little yellow button enabled. Now, once you've done so, where do I find this saved video after I have watched them and after I've reloaded TikTok and done everything else? Well, it's very simple to find them. Just come to your profile page, refresh it for once, and then here you'll find this little saved icon right after your main post feed, as well as your private pictures and private videos, as well as your heart icon over here. You'll find in between them you'll find this little saved button, and right over here you'll be able to see all your saved videos. And if you'd like to unsave them, you can just tap on the unsave button again and it will be removed. You can repeat the process for any of the other videos that you might want to unsave later on. And that's all it takes to find saved videos on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.